Hey guys, I just finished installing my TwinZ bolt-on rear diffuser. My car's a 1990 2+2. Let me just show you everything about it. So let me show you where it's bolted on everywhere. The first ones are near the license plate section. There's one on the back side of this. You can only see it if the bumper was off, but there's one up there, and there's one up there. On both sides it has a bracket that'll attach the bottom diffuser part to the gas tank, so that's really cool. And then on the inside, hopefully you guys can see, but there's a bracket right there that you'll attach to the diffuser to the bumper and then attach to the bumper to the car. And then the ones back, those two back there are just the factory ones. And then the other side has the same sort of bracket right there. Oh yeah, one thing to note, if you want to keep your stock tow hooks, you're going to have to shave a little bit off the diffuser so it will clear. I had to do it on both sides. And you're also going to probably need longer exhaust hangers, because when I had it with the stock ones, it was literally on the diffuser, but now I have the clearance to where it's not touching. When I first heard about this diffuser and I heard it was fiberglass, I thought it was going to be pretty flimsy, but it's actually really sturdy. I could barely move it right now. It's really on there. Oh yeah, I forgot that also will bolt on to the stock bolts right here. You're gonna tuck the diffuser underneath the bumper and it'll just bolt to the stock mounting points. See if I can get a good shot. It'll just bolt straight to there. I'll show you the other side. Just right here. So yeah, to take off the bumper, you're gonna remove this right here in the license plate. It attaches the license plate lights. There's two right here, and then there's one clip right there. You unscrew and pop off. And then there's like 6 of these back down here where that bracket was. You'll pop those off. You'll take these two sides off, and then on both sides you'll take this bolt off, lower mounting tab for the bumper, and then for the inside, let's see if I can. You're gonna take off all of these shiny looking nuts. It goes all the way along the cross. There's about 10 or so of them. And then on both sides you're also gonna take off that bolt right there and that one right there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that one right there. So all in all, this is a very high quality piece. It's very sturdy. It looks fucking awesome. And it only needed a little